Toys. Toys, toys.
And a self-opening hood. So what you're hearing right now, yeah, and there's a carburetor in each one of these spots. And what you're hearing right now is the air compressor for the suspension.
Oh, it's got the air suspension on it?
Yep.
No, it's right though. It's not like I'm a big or just exactly that.
There, it's finished on top. You got 3 Rochester carburetors.
Possible.
They're available. You just got to go talk to the Cadillac suppliers. Yeah, well, and that really deep note of the exhaust.
And this is
Yeah, you can actually look down in there. Yeah, no, this is big. This one you can look down in there.
Grinding, 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 sanding, grinding, sanding, grinding. Sanding, grinding, sanding, grinding, sanding, grinding.
Put your name, sign in on the sheet.
Okay.
Sanding, grinding, sanding, grinding.
I got $2.
No, I had to borrow too because I forgot to.
Sanding, grinding.
I make things right away.
Sanding, grinding. Sanding, welding, sanding, welding. Oh, girl doing work. Oh, girl. Paul's on it. Ooh.
What the hell there? It's like, I don't think you welded on that at all.
No, it moved. Now the water's coming down enough to where it's running down the back of the quarter. Go.
It's better. I don't like it, but it's better.
I don't like it either, but it's gonna have to work.
How's it done on the other side? Is it just welded in the factory back there, or soldered?
Well, this is a piece that we added, and this is the last bit we have to do.
Got it.
And
It got a little out of hand,
yeah,
but you know, a little grinder after we weld it, and we should be okay.
yeah, I think so.
Sherman, would you like your phone?
Oh yeah, I think